Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can make easy and simple Christmas tree in few minutes. Materials you need are A4 size sheet, stickers. I am going to use stickers. You can use sketch colors, straw, glue, pencil, compass. So if you don't have compass, you can just use circular object and scissors. First take your A4 size sheet and then fold it into half. So now I'm going to make circles. So now I will make my circle a little bit smaller. So I have made 3 different circles. They are not the equal size. So I have divided the paper into half so that at a time you can get 2 circles. So now you need to cut them. So now you can see that I got 2 of them at a time. So now you need to cut both of them. So now you have 3 different sizes of circles. So first you need to take the bigger circle and then fold it into semicircles. You need to fold all these circles into half. So now you can see how I folded them into half. So now take your smaller circle, the smallest circle, and now you need to put glue on the top. Right over here. Then take another circle and put this right over here, like this. So now you need to follow the same step how I did this one. Like this. So now you need to paste them. So the smaller one will be at the top and the largest one at the bottom. Like this. Also at the back side. And then paste it like this. Now again put glue on both of the sides and then paste it. So this is how our tree looks like, and now I'm going to decorate it. So I have decorated my tree and now I'm going to use the straw like this. So here my tree is ready. You can see it, how beautiful it's looking. So I have created some more of the trees. You can create them like this, and also you can take any other color you want. So if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.